Wow, this is gemstone big ones. And that one there is a stone that I'm tumbling for a little boy called Henderson. Wow, look at these. Amazing. So gemstone beach biggies, nice and smooth. So these have been rolling for about 2 weeks in 80 grit. This one could do with a little bit longer. That's a stone I'm tumbling for Henderson. Beautiful stone. Probably from Birdling's Flat, that one. All the rest of these are from Gemstone Beach. Absolutely beautiful. Love that one. Oh man. Really nice. I'm told that's a bit of manganese. A little hole in the bottom. Lovely. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these into a soap wash overnight, and any that are ready I'll put aside, and I'll keep rolling until I've got enough to fill a whole barrel of 220. This one here actually came off the beach in Napier, and I found that when I got home after all the cyclone had hit our region. This one's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I love that. Right, so they'll go back in there. I think I'll run them overnight in a bubble bath. Right, so into there they'll go, those ones, and for a little bubble bath. So it's a beautiful quartzite. Lots of pretties. Lots of pretties. So lots of these will be ready in the morning to go into the put aside bucket, and I will just refill the bucket, the tumbler, with more stones. I really love these. Okay, so today, these have finished out of their bubble bath. So the next morning, I'm going to empty it into there, and then the ones that aren't ready will go in there. And then I'm going to put through the stones into 220 into there that are ready. Okay. Nice and bubbly. So let's see. Wow. You can see a lot of that black that came out of that barrel. It's actually coming off the rubber. It's not coming off the stones. What I'll do, I'll put the phone down for a minute and I'll empty the stones. So here we go. Nice and bubbly. And hopefully all nice and clean. So hopefully I'll have enough to fill a barrel of 220. Otherwise I'll have to do a barrel of 80. So let's see. Oh yeah, he's nice and smooth. I know this one's nice and smooth. You can see in the sun, such a pretty colour. But anyway, I'm going to go through these and see how many we can get. That's Henderson stone. I'm polishing that for a little boy in Canterbury. He and his grandmother found that on Birdling's Flat. Yeah, so he'll go back to 80. He's alright for 220. Let's see. That's good. Nice and smooth, no holes. Yeah. Just got a hole. Let's see. Little hole there. I'm going to be really fussy on these. Make sure I do a really good job. Yeah, he's just got a little spot there. So maybe they'll all probably go back. He's beautiful. He definitely needs more time. But I really like that one. He's got quite a few little divots in him. And of course this one. He's got a little hole here. But he's pretty smooth. Like that one. but it'll go back. And there's ones like that. Well, he's got a little bit of damage here. Oh, he's lovely. Right, soft spot right there. Tiny little holes. Little soft spot. So yeah, most of these are going to need, definitely, another week and 80. I think that one's okay. Right. Soft spots just there. And this one, beautiful. Funnily enough, it changed colour. It got a bit darker. Not quite sure why, but it did. Right, so after my inspection, we have these that are going in there. And these ones, I'm going to sit aside and I'll wait for their turn to go into 220. Some really pretty